What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Ironbird. Since the IronCat video went viral, it was actually a fun video to make, and to get 100 views, I made it last night. So, I already have a few weapons unlocked because I've played this game quite a bit. It's a very fun game. And we're just going to be chilling with the city, but I'm going to play something. Shotgun. Actually, I just want to do something real fast, just for fun. I'm going to snipe a germ. There we go, snipe the germ. Okay, I can't do another one. But I sniped the germ. Should I bring shotgun or actually? AR better. Let's go. Ironbird is a very fun game. It's you basically go to terrorize the city, do quests, and try not to get lost. It's very fun if you get to 5 stars. It starts playing this really good music. That is very fun. Please. Only 2 stars. At 3 stars, they send in the army. The army's coming. Oh no, that's 4 stars. This gives you a lot of money. Oh, 4 stars. W music. Oh god. There's the army. Bro, I'm carrying him! Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, yup, there they are. Very hard to get away once you have 4 stars and the army comes. Because you get all the drones chasing you. You basically just gotta juke around going up by his box. I should probably hide now, because I do want to check more stuff. One drone puts you to 4 stars immediately. Bruh, the army's already here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. This game is very fun. I've already basically beat it. I did all the quests, but there's still shit. Like, right now I'm at 7,000. I'm saving up for the bazooka. So I'm gonna go around, knock out some people. I'm gonna bring grenade. 'Cause look. We also got trip mines. I'll bring one of these. We got, oh, that's a trip thing. This is a trip mine. I think. Yeah, that's a trip mine, so I'll bring one of these. Actually, I don't want a grenade. I want that. I'm just gonna set up the trip mine on the sidewalk. Oh, that actually works. Oh no, I'm fine. I just blew up a car. Yo, that's insane. Yo, no spray painting. No spray painting. That's illegal. That's illegal. That's illegal, buddy.
Order now.
Give me your gun.
Bomb delivery.
What language are you speaking?
Target acquired.
Give me your gun. Nope, I'm fried. Okay, I gotta get out of this game. Yeah. I love it. Box. Yeah. Don't come back. Give me some money. Yeah, where's that spray painter?
Over here. Ship right.
Yo, did that person just curse? It sounded like it. I don't know if it did. Oh my god, that just blew up.
Please keep me.
Oh god, I just killed an army person. Who? I missed. You want? Come get. I'm gonna go stab Don. Stab the drone. The stabber one-shots drones? How much cash am I at? Okay, I'm gonna get 50 furniture. Better. That's what I'm talking about. You don't got bombs. You just got guns. I just got sniped. Oh, I died. That's sad. This game is extremely fun. What is I am security? I am. Oh, I forgot about this feature. Let me just show you guys something. Yeah, I'm gonna take green hair and where did you go? Okay, she disappeared. I'm gonna add I Am Monkey to this video, and I wasn't planning on it, but I forgot to have it. So, next time you see me, I'll be in I Am. Alright guys, we're back, and now we're in I Am Monkey. We got like, oh my god. Put a pacifier in a visitor's mouth. Okay, that's easy. We got a bat. Camera.
Lights, camera, primate, hands up, item to me.
Selfie time, get
I don't
that
know how
tail in
that
frame.
works. We got, oh my god.
Catch this in your stupid
You didn't
face.
see nothing.
Toy, zookeeper tag.
I need your hacker
monk-
mask.
Wow, that is one handsy animal.
Get in here.
Whoa, monkey's got. Oof, imagine being outsmarted by a steel bar. Oh,
Oh,
slip it
you're
through the
so
bars.
ugly. Keep that on. Okay, here. Shake my hand.
Ah.
No, never trust a monkey.
Ooh.
Wait, I'm confused.
Your mama swing harder than that.
What?
Back to the Stone Age.
Oh,
Do that.
I'm climbing a tree.
Not today.
On the upside, 0.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Take
that's
this.
That's what I thought. Get out of here.
Consider
You
this.
uglies.
Take that, you furry troublemaker.
Work first. Okay, I will work. I just need
Enough.
that key. Well, I'm gonna bring monkey.
You stay, I
Where's my
stray,
baby
bye.
monkey?
Help them.
Oh, you have a pacifier. Get over here. Get over. Get down. Give me your pacifier.
He's down.
Oh, you are screwed now, monkey.
Catch
What
your
did you
dog.
just say to me? What did you say?
Put the intern in the.
Badge
Yo,
first,
I'm sorry.
mercy never.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are they a part of the?
I've fallen. Next time, bring a helmet. Me and
Oh, right. You wanted me to put it in their
You
mouth.
messed with tourists. Now meet.
Joe.
Oh,
Ouch. Give me my monkey.
metal meets melon. Caught adjourned.
Mini monkey. Get in here. This guy has your key.
They clearly need help.
Okay. I'm gonna unlock you.
That was enough for me. Fastest souvenir ever. Sheer terror.
Bet you can't evolve fast.
Unlock.
I'm out.
They think you're tough.
Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, mini monkey.
That hurt.
I need you to stay in here, or else. This is what happens if you don't stay in here. This is what happens.
Psycho with a P.
Stay in here. Stay still, mini monkey.
Banana
Mini
down and
monkey.
Step away from.
No, I'm gonna lock you with the elephant. Mini monkey. Stay still. Yeah, that's what I thought. Mini monkey. Okay.
How did he get his hands?
You do that. That's what happens to mini monkey when he doesn't stay still.
Wake
Yeah,
up.
that's what will happen to you.
Wait, that
Will I
was
be
a
rich
treat.
in 5
Call
years?
us a peace offering.
That looks dangerous. Mine now.
Sign him up for the league. Don't
Mini
throw
monkey.
that.
No, this is what you get. You get like a piece of poop. Or
Wait,
yeah,
is
that's
it
poop.
legal?
These are like cartoonishly wide.
Yeah.
Bonus round, projectile banana. Armed and dangerous.
If you don't stay still, that will happen. Why are you asking for the gun? Oh, you're giving me stuff.
That is animal cruelty, right? Great, now I'm a walking crap mural, thanks.
Peace treaty offering no throwing.
That looks dangerous. Help! Monkey 1. My dignity, 0. Don't do that.
Boom!
Ooh.
Call the dentist as a.
Boom! Boom!
You've got the right to remain silent. Oh, let me out of here, please. I'm not locked in here with you.
How'd you get in here? Bro, you need to help me. You need to help me. Spider. Oh,
This will hurt. Tell my mum I love her. Doors open.
Look,
here, come here.
Feet, don't fail me now.
Put this in your mouth.
Think quick, tail twirler. Trade? You give?
feel the wrath of a bored visitor.
Seems like they don't know what zoo food tastes like. Share some from the vending machine. Okay. Feed your vending machine snack with the guest. Where? What vending machine snack?
Here, something fun.
Swing again and I'll refund your jaw.
Oh, this. Horsey. This won't hurt a little. This will only hurt a little bit.
Is this the calm before the chaos,
Did it
or
hurt?
just a slow day? Eyes on you, furball.
See? Yummy. I will gladly take the bat.
Pete, don't fail me now. Justice
That's
is
insane, you
fine,
just
but
threw
my
up.
baton's laser.
Yo! Is this some...
I am kind of jealous of the one in the...
Explain to me why they have the Apple Vision Pro. We're obviously playing on Meta.
Wi-Fi?
Bring a
Okay.
pigeon.
Next
To
time
you?
we read the Keep Hands and Friends Outside.
Somebody.
That is too much for me.
Here.
I'd wave back, but I don't speak idiot in silence. Buddy, even in places.
Yeah,
Come
you know-
on, give it to me.
No!
Hands
I'm
where
taking
I can
this.
See 'em fuzzy.
Oh, gross.
What even is this?
Chimp mail,
Cream.
special delivery to Dung Depot.
Oh my god, thank you so much.
Did it stop?
I want butterfly. Give me. I want
Look, my
butter.
survival instinct.
Doors open. Ego intact. But
They can't reach me from up here.
I am an equal
Abuse Mini
opportunity
Monkey all you
advocate.
want. He's not doing crap.
Metal meets melon. Court adjourned. Legal tender. 1 lump per offence.
No.
Metal meets melon. Court adjourned.
Okay, I need to get up here.
Badge first, mercy never. I am an equal
Here we go.
Human in the
Legal tender. 1 lump per offence. Crowd control? Nah, chimp control.
Hey, Spidey.
I am an
How did they get there?
equal rights, equal left
Okay.
hooks.
I need to
Badge
get
first,
to
mercy never.
this rope right
No
here.
bananas,
Yes.
no bail. Crackdown time.
I want to get the butter.
Nightstick kiss.
Yo, get out of my cage.
Serving beatings like cupcakes. Nightstick Express. Signing the guest book in the porcelain envelope. The baton knows no species. Equal rights,
Oh,
equal
monkey
left
bars.
hooks. Bad leaving now.
Should
Cop culture.
Monkey,
Serve, protect,
monkey,
pummel.
monkey.
Justice swing. How did they get there? The baton knows no species.
That's it, bro. That's it.
Ooh,
is that no? That one was a gorilla.
Okay, you want this guy?
the limited edition human collectible. Dude, that grip could bend steel. You're in trouble now, Fluffy Butt. Catch. They are stuck. Get them out. Sirens off. Smack you, filthy animal. Get them out. Nightstick kiss. What does that? Oh, in a flash.
Yeah,
it was
that's
out
what I
like a
thought.
light.
You're
How
stuck
did
in
a
my
day at the zoo end
cage.
up like this?
What are you doing? Are you acting like a monkey?
Next time, bring a helmet, me included. Feet, don't fail me now.
What if I shoot the head down? Okay. I need to bring a pigeon. Is this a pigeon?
A monkey
Why
is
did you
the
just
body
throw a
of the
beer
rescue
bottle at me? I'm gonna
chaos in the jungle.
throw it right back.
ooh,
A mail from the visitor section.
fastball straight to Fluffy.
Catch
Coconut.
or dodge. Your
I want a coconut.
say hello to my pitching.
Coconut. Can I like... Wait.
Let's see those reflexes fuzz.
This game is so
Rock on.
realistic.
The stone's got the heft to make a real statement. Signed, sealed,
Okay.
and
What else
Catch
do
or
we
dodge,
need?
your call.
We need a pigeon. Did you just throw a...
nope, that's mine now. I wonder how it feels on the other side of the
Tell
bubble.
The
me
monkey
what
just
pigeons
grabbed
are
that
from Burning
person.
Man.
Ooh.
Oh,
Where
Somebody
do the
call
pigeons
help,
live?
quick. Exit strategy. Scream and sprint.
Come here.
Wave harder, dummy. Maybe it'll shake a thought. Dispatcher said, contain the
Yo, what are you doing?
Whoa.
Get out of my
Just
cage.
collapsed. Bro, you're gonna...
Heads up. Is that kidnapping or abduction?
Pull him out. Pull this girl out
Why
of
is it
here,
so
bro.
empty?
She called me a monkey.
Oh, that is cute and a little scary. Oops. Check this out, check this out. Get your hand off them, you filthy animal.
Get out, you fatty.
I'll swing by the reptile. Oh,
Yeah.
Security now. Escape route? Any route?
Move, people. Survival of the fastest.
Oh, for butterfly, butterfly.
Did it mean to do that?
You're stuck in here, really? Oh.
Come at me. Wait, is it legal? Free accessory. Dude,
Time to audition for the...
How did they get there?
Ain't no way I just died. Wait, butterfly. I'm not gonna
what do we
squish
have
you.
here? One wrong move,
fly.
that counts. Anyone home, or is it nap time? Oh, great. Another
Okay.
overpriced sack of
You're
fleas
trying
on
to give me a
display.
flint? Well, I'll take that.
Fastball straight to Fluffy. Check out the rear view.
Give me that.
Burn mode.
Just filed a...
Ouch!
Escape.
Here, eat.
This nightstick's got your name on it.
Call an ambulance, but not for
Eat
me.
ice cream.
No bananas, no bail, just Beat Street.
Let's see those.
Ooh. If
Uppercut.
laziness were a sport, you'd still lose.
Oh,
The baton knows no species.
I'm taking your baton.
Get help! Call the dentist.
Are they a part of
I'm
the?
killing you. The FBI one is indestructible. I'm not bringing you a pigeon. Just give me the key. Okay. Well, this game is fun. Anyways, I think that'll be it for this video. It was kind of a long one. It's like 25 minutes, but bye.
Hope you like.